Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Hope you're well. I'm down at the Gold Coast store today and we've got another GU Patrol in for some performance enhancements. This Patrol is a 2008 model with a manual trans and it has a popular ZD30 3-litre common rail turbo diesel engine in it. It already has got a 3-inch turbo back exhaust fitted to it and it has a fair bit of extra weight on it as well. Upgraded exhausts are really good for helping reduce turbo lag down low and for a bit more peak power and torque once tuned to suit. We're going to be performing an on-car chemical soot clean followed by a custom dyno tune. But before we do any of this, we need to get the Patrol in the workshop to do its pre-tune inspection. We always carry out this inspection to every vehicle we custom dyno tune here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. It is a vital part to our tuning procedure. It's to ensure the engine is in good condition, all fluid levels are good and there are no fluid leaks present. The inspection on the Patrol has been completed, it's all good and it's now ready for the on-car chemical soot clean. Soot is made up of tar-like carbon deposits which develop inside the engine. These deposits quickly cake the inner linings of the intake manifold and intake runners, amongst other parts. This soot buildup is caused by the dry exhaust soot being recirculated back into the engine by the EGR valve. It then mixes inside the engine with wet oil vapours produced by the crankcase pressure, creating a black tar-like sludge. Once it develops inside the engine, it will restrict airflow, reducing engine efficiency and performance and will contribute to poor fuel economy as well. To clean the soot out effectively, we have a special on-car machine which circulates several litres of powerful solution at high pressure through the engine while it's idling. The solution will completely break down and dissolve the soot in the direction of airflow, which is where it is restrictive. It then dissipates and burns out through the bottom end of the engine and the exhaust is vapour, not solid material, so there is no risk of any type of damage to any of the engine components. This procedure takes a few hours to complete depending on how contaminated the engine is. Afterwards we give it an engine oil flush, plus an engine oil and filter change. We've got an informative video on our YouTube channel about this procedure, so make sure you check it out. We've now completed the on-car chemical soot clean on the Patrol and it's ready for the custom dyno tune. The owner of this Patrol uses it as a daily driver and he also tows a heavy boat with it on the weekend. He doesn't use it off-road, however he is planning to start doing some trips. He's saying that it's very laggy at the moment, so his goal for us is to really improve that low down torque for him so that he can get himself out of the sticky situations off-road more easily if need be. He really wants the confidence to know that there is more power and torque on hand for if he's going to need it. He's also chasing more peak power and torque. So with the tune, we're going to focus on achieving all of this for him. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car, whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. So guys, we've now completed the custom dyno tune on the GU Patrol. Let's have a look. Before the soot clean was done and the tune, the car had 77 kilowatts of power and 260 newton meters of torque. After completing the custom dyno tune, the car went to 102 kilowatts of power and 378 newton meters of torque. This represented a 32% gain in peak power and 46% gain in torque. The owner of this Patrol wanted a big reduction in turbo lag and wanted to improve the power and torque all the way through the rev range. And he's certainly going to notice this today with a 46% gain in peak torque, as well as that turbo lag significantly improved. So if you're thinking of improving the performance of your common rail diesel, this is what we specialise in here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne, and we've got dealers all the way across the country that can tune your vehicle. As well as that, you make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.